Hey kiddos, so this week we are going to continue reviewing. So far we have reviewed our letters that we've covered the last 4 weeks. We've also covered our sight words that we've covered the last 4 weeks. And now we're going to be putting it all together, the sounds that we've learned and the sight words that we've learned for our 2 readers. The 2 readers for this week is 6 Pigs Can Hop and Play Kid Play. So you'll see all the sight words that we've learned so far over this last unit and also the sounds that we have learned. So some of the words that you might see that uses our sounds that we've learned are these words. So let's just go over them really quickly. So we have ox, 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 box, jet, jet, hen, kit, hit, kid, job. And then here is a sample sentence that you might see. Here we go. The hen is on a box. John had a jet kit. So you can watch this more than one time. Again, try to read them faster than I have. Remember that when we are sounding out words that we are saying the sounds, then stretching them like an elastic, and then reading them fast. The goal is to read just how we speak. Remember, I do not say I, d, j, et. I say, I had a jet. So that is our goal. Have an excellent time reading.